Hello, Ahmed.
How are you, Michael?
Not too bad, not too bad. And you?
I am.
Where are
Yeah, I'm
you,
very
where are
okay.
you phoning from?
I'm
Where
from
are you
Iraq.
phoning from? Iraq?
Yeah. And you?
Okay. Well, I'm living in Thailand at the moment, but I come from the UK.
From UK. Yeah, I can see from your
Yeah.
accent.
Okay. Is that
Yeah.
okay? Okay.
Yeah. Actually, a British accent. I like British accent. Sounds great for me. But sometimes
Okay.
I can't grasp words because you guys when you pronounce some words uh, it's like I'm never heard it about it before, but when ask my tutors to repeat, actually it's I figure out that I know this word, but the pronunciation it's not good for me.
Yeah, it's different, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's quite common. That's quite common.
Yeah.
Don't worry about that. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
actually,
okay.
I like to see and watch British series, British movies, because especially those who deals with from old time England in old time like
Oh yeah.
1940, this kind of series. It's talking about the England history.
Yeah, we call that period drama.
Period
Period
drama.
drama. Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you give me an example? Can you give me an example of a
About the
TV
series?
series you like?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Like Peaky Blinders.
I don't know that one.
Peaky Blinders, it's a series talking about uh, a bunch of robbers and like a mafia at that time, and they are controlled to that neighbor. Its name Birmingham.
Uh-huh.
It's I think it's
Birmingham. Yeah.
Birmingham. It's a city. Yeah, and
Okay.
and this group of robbers uh, control to that city and they deals with weed and gambling and stuff about thieves. So this actually the gangsters. Yeah. So they are control to driver at the time, and they talk about how the robbers go in London there and about the whole series. And
Yeah. Good.
I really like their accent.
Organized crime. That's organized crime. We call that.
Yeah, yeah, and it's all
And,
about making a fortune and money. And so there is a different way to make a fortune, like yeah, organized crime and robber some people and
have you heard about the
yeah, yeah. Sorry,
Have you heard about the Quay twins? Have you heard about the Quay twins?
the Cry Twins.
They
Is
were
it a
they
series?
yeah. No, they were real. 1960s. They were mobsters controlling London in the 1960s.
Let me let me
So
search it.
I think that there has been a film. There has been a film.
Uh huh.
There has been a film about them.
Yeah, you mentioned that.
There has been a film about them. Yeah.
Yeah.
They were extremely dangerous. Extremely dangerous.
Uh-huh.
They killed. They murdered. They were really nasty guys. Yeah. And they controlled London in the 1960s.
1960. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
maybe
So
maybe they are two brothers or a bunch of men.
There were two brothers. Yeah, two brothers.
Uh-huh. Two brothers.
And they controlled like a number of men. There were about 10 altogether.
Yeah.
They were really bad guys. Yeah.
Yeah, I can see. So, Michael, today I want to practice on my grammar rules, and I have questions. So I am already
Yeah.
know about past tense and present tense, but
Okay.
I have a doubt about past participle tense and where can I and when can I use past participle tense?
You're talking about past perfect, yes?
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
past perfect. Yeah.
Yeah, it's like
I'll give you an example.
we call it the verb 3 sometimes.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I'm sort of old school, so we're talking about something that had finished in the past. Yes. So I'll give you an example.
Yeah.
When I arrived at the party, it had already finished. Okay, this is the past perfect. When I arrived at the party, okay? You're talking about the past. When I arrived at the party.
Yeah.
Okay? You're talking about something in the past.
Yeah.
Okay? And the party had already finished. So you're talking about past and past finished.
So this sentence
Okay.
is about past tense.
Yes, here. When I arrived at the party, you're talking in the past, okay?
Yeah.
And the party had already finished. So by the time you got there, the party was finished.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's past perfect. So past
perfect.
And talking about something that had finished in the past.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? So something that had finished in the past. Okay, does that help you?
Something that had finished in the past. Yeah, I got you. But sometimes I saw like I see like verbs like knowing. When can I see knowing in a sentence?
Known, you mean?
Yeah, the verb the verb one is know, new, knowing.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
yeah.
When can where can I use?
Okay. Okay, I'll give you an example.
Yeah. I can help you with example.
If I had known in the past, if I had known
Yeah.
the exam was so difficult, I would not have taken it. Quite difficult to understand past perfect, but here's a good example. If I had known in the past the exam was so difficult,
Yeah.
I would not have taken it. Yeah? If I had known then in the past,
Yeah.
if I had known then, okay, does that make it a bit easier?
So here we get the past participle tense in taken verb. Taken is the past participle tense. Am I right?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
So usually the past participle tense come with the past. We can use the verb three just with the past.
Yes.
Just let me focus on this sentence.
Yeah.
Maybe I have a question if I had.
You were talking about something in the past.
Yeah, I got you. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then something
So it
else
deals with
in
the
the
past
past.
tense. Yeah, I
Also
got you. So
in the past.
I have another question. Sometimes I get confused when I use when I add s to the verb, like in the present tense. Like I know they already use he speaks, she speaks, and I speak, you speak. So what about if the sentence come before the verb who? Can I use who speaks or who speak?
Yeah, you can. Yeah. Who speaks? Who speaks?
Who speaks?
Who speaks for? Who speaks for everybody? Who speaks for the people? Yes.
But if I
Who
use
speaks?
if I use who speak without s, it's wrong.
No, you wouldn't say that. You wouldn't say who speak.
Who speaks?
Who speak? You wouldn't say that.
So
Yeah.
if I
Who speaks?
if before the verb speak come like you, can I sorry, your speaks.
You cannot say your speak.
Yeah,
You can say you can speak. You speak.
you speak. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
We have 1 minute left.
Yeah.
Thank you so much
All right.
for your information, useful information, actually.
Yeah. No problem. I just there's so many things you can have a look on the internet if you want to look exactly how to use past perfect.
Yeah.
Some websites show you diagrams to use.
Yeah,
and give you
exactly.
a prime example.
But I have to discuss with my tutor. I feel more comfortable, you know?
Okay. Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
Michael, I have
But
one
it's
last question. Sorry for interrupting
yeah.
you. I have a YouTube channel, and sometimes I upload
Yeah.
my session on YouTube. So I have to ask your permission. So is that okay with you?
Sure. Yeah. If you want. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
No
Thank you.
problem.
Because my audience will
Okay.
learn a lot from this masterpiece. Thanks a lot.
Okay, Ahmed.
Thank you.
Take
Have a
care.
great day. Goodbye.
All right.